Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright guys, day 67 I believe. Now the reason why we only using one account is because I want to sort of emulate what beginners would make if they slowly just work their ways up. That's the goal here. We're trying to slowly work our ways up. Now you'll get more sales with more accounts, don't get me wrong, but most people are not going to start with like a ton of accounts on My Lead Gen Secrets. You're gonna start with just one, and I think it just sort of shows my success so far with just using one account. The beginner strategy is, as you would say. All right, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know, all the links are in the description below, and let's get started. All right. So now, first, I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And mainly because it's a funnel builder. It's a very lucrative funnel builder, very easy to use, and there's no limitations on the things that you can do. There's none. You can have a ton of pages. You can have like a 27-page funnel builder if you really want to. I wouldn't do that. I would advise against that, but you could do it. You know, people probably get tired of clicking through pages at that point, like, Jesus, where is it, where's the product? But anyway, that you have no limitations on what you can do at all. You can have many domains connected, all this stuff that you usually have to pay a lot more to get. Like the most used funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month with a ton of limitations. So many limitations at $97 per month. And even if you pay the $300 upgrade, you upgrade to $300 per month, you still got a couple of limitations here or there. But yeah, that's an insane amount of money compared to $25 per month. That's all I'm trying to say. That's all I'm trying to get at there. All right, and the second reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, and I think the reason why you guys are most interested in it and why I was interested in it in the first place is because of its affiliate system, which is the best I've seen in the world. The 80% recurring commissions, that is absolutely insanity. And you only need a few people in the system to really start building up your income. Really start having extra money around. Guys, it's crazy. All right, so let's get to it here. Let's show our results here. It looks like I did get a sale. I'm not entirely sure here, but let's refresh it, see what happens. Okay, it looks like I did get a sale, but hold up, no, I think this is just a rebuild. I think it is. I think it's just a rebuild, so I did not get a sale yesterday. See, I have to keep up with when I do get a sale and when I don't get a sale, and it's just a rebuild. So I believe it's just a rebuild. So I did not get a sale yesterday, which is absolutely and totally fine. Like I said, I got a rebuild, which is might as well be another sale, to be honest with you. So we getting to the point where we're getting a lot of resales, rebuilds on top of sales. Like for example, we probably got, I'm not sure if we got more sales this month or last month. I'm not entirely sure, but it does seem like we got a lot more sales this month, but I know we didn't, but it feels like it because it's slowly building up. Like let's check last month when I first started this challenge here. Somewhere it was a little bit before September, but let's just say September. It was like August 25th or something like that. But anyway, now these are my September numbers, guys. It's 440. You see that, right? Those are my September numbers. Now let's go to October here. Uh-oh. Alright guys, now let's show the October numbers here real quick. So we want October 1st. Boom. Now let's look at October numbers. 624. That's almost $200 more, guys. This is building up real easy and real quick. That's all I'm trying to say. Also, guys, make sure people refresh the page when they show results, because it's very easy to fake these results and change all these numbers around if they really wanted to. So make sure they do that. But anyway, as you can see, guys, I'm getting sales. I'm getting a lot of sales, bite to bite. It's pretty nice. Anyway, let's get over here to the mailing list here. So we're gonna send an email here. We're gonna go with see which one we're gonna go with this time. This one right here. We're gonna go with this one. Let's build your money income. All you gotta do, guys, is just copy the email that I sent here. If you want to follow along, you know what I mean. And if you want to use my emails, you just copy that right there. I'm gonna go down a little bit. Copy that. Pause it. Copy. Pause it. Copy. All right, guys. That's all it takes. All right. So anyway, make sure you hit perfect timing. So you know what perfect timing does, send an email around time people check their emails. So it's a better chance of them checking it instead of just it getting mass erased, end up on top of the list. You know what I mean? But anyway, this is where you put your link. As you can see, my link's already in there. You just click on this button here and put your link in there, and make sure you check your email. Make sure you check your email with the preview here. Go to preview and you click on the link here. Make sure you click on the link here to check and see if your link works. Make sure it works, guys. I know mine worked because this is a previous email I sent, so I already done checked it. So we're gonna just send an email, and honestly, that's all it takes, guys. That easy, that simple, that monotonous. And yeah, like I stated before, the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Sorry. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.